What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I wanna do dyeing of my discolored hat from Jackie Moose. Gorgeous, perfect hat, very unique back. This is metal logo, like it so much, but the problem is I've been traveling with this hat for a while, tropical climate. I was in Spain, Rio de Janeiro, all over the place. So this hat got discolored really badly, and I like it really much. I'm not sure if I can find it again, the same one. Plus I was thinking, why would I buy a new hat when I can just color the same one, because it's still in a really good condition, really great. No holes, no nothing, only the color is a problem. So let's do it together. All I need for this procedure is this and the salt. So basically it's a dish soap, a little bit of salt, and a paint called Rit. I bought it on Amazon. It says you can color cotton, wool, nylon, and a lot more with this paint. So let's get started. So it should be quick and easy. All I need besides those ingredients is the basket and the hot water. And thanks to my bathroom, I have black tiles, which I'm not afraid to color in black. Okay guys, and this is the final result. It's a little bit tighter than before, but the color is great, and the head is adjustable, so no big deal. Yeah, look at the brightness. I love that. Let me know what you think in the comments below.